Hey everyone, this is going to be my first video of a series here on my HO scale layout that I'm going to be working on for the foreseeable future anyway. So, quick history of this layout as it stands right now actually started about 10 years ago. And I had further plans to continue it, beyond that, or completed at least at that time, and just, things came up, other projects came along, and just it kind of got put in the back burner. I've had every interest in getting this layout going, though. I've been involved in, or at least had trains my whole life, even since I was little, in terms of, always HO scale, model railroading. Always enjoyed trains and stuff like that. So, no better time than now, I guess, to complete this. So, the layout itself is basically a modular, I guess you can call that. It was going to be a switching layout design. So, kind of give it a little bit of view back here anyway, the whole thing. So it's about 8 foot long, roughly a little over 2.5 feet deep, I believe it is. And the standard construction of it right now is I've got a double main. So I got a double main coming through here. The idea was that I could expand out in this, eventually with space and time permitting. Have the main actually go somewhere, so I could route trains through and pick up, whatever freight here, deliver it to other industries and things like that. But this was just kind of the first step to get something usable that I could start playing with and start doing some switching operations and things like that with. But as you can see beyond, the main line here and the second little siding that I had coming off, not much really has been done. So that was where I kind of got stuck, because I wasn't really sure how I wanted to design the rest of it in terms of the industries back here and other aspects of this layout. So I had a couple ideas, and in hindsight I'm kind of glad I didn't go with them, because at the time I think I was going to put way too much track in this little layout. Something very unrealistic, very unprototypical of what you would see with any type of industry that had various spurs with different industry to drop off buildings and stuff like that. And I actually found a couple drawings from 10 years ago or so that I did together when I was just kind of planning out like what I was going to do. So this was one of the initial drawings. You can see there's my double main, and then the siding here, and then a bunch of industry back here with, there's like a whole yard over here, and just too much really. It was going to be all track. This isn't to scale, so it's actually a lot more track in there than it looks. And then there's another drawing here I was looking at. This is more designed how it currently stands now, but again, just a lot of track back here. So I don't know. I'm thinking about that right now. I'm starting to play around a little bit more with design to figure out what I want to do, and continue on with this layout. So. I just wanted to put this kind of intro video together of this, because this will be the first video on this new channel that I've created. And I don't know, it'll be fun. It'll be fun, building this out and just basically finally doing some switching operations. So I'm hand holding this video, so hopefully it's not too shaky. I'll probably have to get some little mount here just to keep it a little bit more stable as I go. But I'm going to keep these videos pretty much short in the series, maybe 5-10 minutes tops as I go. I'm just going to do single takes of it. I've done other video stuff before. I've got an electronics channel that I haven't updated very recently with, but the time being is just it's just so much time once you sit down, do all the editing and then the footage and then corrections and stuff like that. It's just it becomes a time sink, and it kind of makes me lose interest in that. So with these videos, with this layout that I'm gonna be working on, it's strictly just gonna be quick, short little videos I do on a single take, just kind of show what's going on, show my thought process, show what I've built, what I've designed, how I'm doing some things, and just kind of go from there. There's actually a lot of other good, HO and other scale for that matter, people on YouTube putting really, really good content out that I really enjoy, and that's kind of my inspiration of doing this video. If you're watching this, you probably watch those other channels, so I probably don't need to name them. But yeah, so I plan on working on this through a series, and then eventually getting to the point where I can do some actual operations, which will be kind of fun. So. Anyway, I am looking forward to recontinuing this project and going from there. So I hope you enjoyed this little introduction here, and watch for more future content for stuff going on. So, all right, thanks for watching.